Do you need to give one of your students a due date extension for an assignment or an online quiz? Knowing how to create a new due date or changing the availability of an assignment or quiz is useful for being able to accommodate your students. The settings for due dates and availability dates can be made in assignments and quizzes. In this example, we are going to give Annika an extra week to complete a quiz. You will need to navigate to the activity in question. On the top right, click on the Edit button. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Assign box. The Assign box contains the default due date and availability dates for that activity and applies to all students. Students are still able to submit activities after the due date, but instructors are notified if the submission is past due as to allow you the discretion on how to deal with it or grade it. The available from and until fields give instructors the ability to restrict students' access to activities between those times and dates. By leaving those fields blank, there will be no access restriction to the activity. By giving an extension, keep in mind that depending on the circumstances, the due date and availability fields may both need to be adjusted. To create the extension, click on the Add button. A new box will appear below. In the field Assigned To, begin entering the name of the student and select the student when it appears in the drop-down menu. It is possible to add additional students if you want them to share the same new due date or availability dates. You can also assign due dates and availability dates by group or section, which applies to all students in that group or section. In this new box, enter the new due date as well as the new until date. When you are done, click on Save at the bottom of the page. You have now given a new due date and availability date. If you have any questions or require assistance, please feel free to reach out to us through the OES Course Assistance form. Thanks.